reported 55 degrees, dew point 52, relative humidity 89%. Wind east at 12 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.75 inches and rising.
Mount Vernon Highway, eastern Glen Ridge, down power line, west Battle River, so far.
Daylight on Sunday. Rest of tonight.
Where's it?
Showers with thunderstorms likely. Patchy fog late. Lows in the lower 50s. Flat and variable winds. Chance of rain near 1.
PD on scene, Georgia Power being notified.
Patchy fog in the morning. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the evening. Then a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Okay, we've got another tornadic cell. It's going to be South Fulton.
To 10 miles an hour.
Actually, North Fulton. It's going to be near Dunwoody.
The Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cobb County in north central Georgia, DeKalb County in north central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north central Georgia until 11:30